2025 Mazda CX-90 Review. Pros: quick acceleration and sporty handling. Comfortable ride quality. Refined luxury leaning interior. Above average fuel economy for a 3-row SUV. Cons: below average cargo capacity. Small third-row seat. What's new? No significant changes expected for 2025. Part of the first CX-90 generation introduced for 2024. Overview. The 2025 CX-90 is the largest SUV in Mazda's stable, with a bumper-to-bumper length 15 inches longer than the CX-50. The 3-row CX-90 shares its size with the new CX-70, which is essentially a 2-row variant. With plentiful power, sharper than average handling and a luxurious interior, it fits well into the Mazda lineup. Like other Mazda SUVs, though, it's less practical overall than rivals, as pointed out in our expert rating below. Edmunds Spotlight: big on performance, but not practicality. With 340 horsepower available from the Turbo S models and the kind of sporty cornering abilities that Mazda is known for, the CX-90 is easily one of the more enjoyable 3-row SUVs to drive. The problem is, most shoppers in this class prioritize practicality, and it comes up short in terms of both cargo capacity and third-row passenger space. As a result, we suggest paying close attention to both during a test drive to ensure it will meet your needs. Competitors to consider. In the midsize 3-row SUV class, the Kia Telluride has ruled supreme since its debut in 2020. It simply over-delivers for the price when it comes to features and space. Along the same lines, the related Hyundai Palisade is a very close second-place finisher. There's also the recent introduction of the Toyota Grand Highlander, which addresses some of the smaller Highlander's shortcomings and is available in an efficient hybrid model that would likely outperform the CX-90 PHEV in real-world efficiency. What's it like to live with? Edmunds added a 2024 Mazda CX-90 plug-in hybrid to its long-term test fleet, and we aim to log 20,000 miles over a year of ownership. We're documenting everything we like and what needs improvement, along with fuel economy and maintenance costs. Which CX-90 does Edmunds recommend? Mazda hasn't released official information on the 2025 CX-90 as of this writing. We'll update our recommendation if anything changes, but based on last year's CX-90, we steer shoppers toward the 3.3 Turbo S model. You get a bump in power output for a more Mazda-like experience, along with several convenience and technology features. Mazda CX-90 models. The following unofficial information is based on last year's CX-90. We expect the 2025 model will have a similar lineup, and we'll update this section once we have complete information. The Mazda CX-90 is a 3-row midsize SUV with seating for a maximum of 8 passengers. The lineup can be a little confusing because there are 3 powertrain choices and 5 trim levels. Starting things out is what Mazda calls the 3.3 Turbo, which is a turbocharged 3.3-liter 6-cylinder engine, 280 horsepower, 332 lb-ft of torque. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive is standard. The 3.3 Turbo S increases output to 340 HP and 369 lb-ft of torque. Then there's the CX-90 PHEV that has a plug-in hybrid powertrain. Keep reading for more details and a rundown of the CX-90's most significant features. Mazda pairs these powertrains with 5 trim levels: Select, Preferred, Preferred Plus, Premium and Premium Plus. There are some feature differences between some of the engine and trim levels. 3.3 Turbo Select. This base model comes well equipped with a long list of standard features that include 19-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights, roof rails, power lift gate, keyless entry and start, tri-zone automatic climate control, synthetic leather upholstery, 3 third-row seats, 10.25-inch infotainment screen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone integration, 8-speaker audio system. Standard driver assist features include frontal collision mitigation, warns you of an impending collision and applies the brakes in certain scenarios. Adaptive cruise control, adjusts speed to maintain a constant distance between the vehicle and the car in front. Blind spot warning with rear cross traffic warning, alerts you if a vehicle is in your blind spot during a lane change or while in reverse. Lane keeping assistance, makes minor steering corrections to help keep the vehicle centered in its lane. Driver attention monitor, issues an alert if sensors determine you are becoming fatigued. Safe exit assist, can prevent a rear passenger from opening a door into traffic approaching from behind. Rear seat reminder, alerts you to check the rear seat before exiting the vehicle. 3.3 Turbo preferred. Adds to the select trim with sunroof, leather upholstery, heated front seats, power adjustable front passenger seat, second row sunshades, additional USB charge ports. 3.3 Turbo Preferred Plus. This mid-range trim adds a handful of convenience upgrades such as increased towing capacity, wireless charging pad, wireless connectivity for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, head-up display, displays important information in your sightline on the windshield. 3.3 Turbo Premium. Dresses up the CX-90 with 21-inch wheels, chrome exterior trim, hands-free liftgate, panoramic sunroof, second row captain's chairs, reducing seating capacity to 7. Integrated navigation system, driver's seat memory functions, 12-speaker Bose audio system, active blind spot assistance, automatically steers the CX-90 back into its lane if you try to change lanes while a car is in the vehicle's blind spot. Front and rear parking sensors. 3.3 Turbo Premium Plus. Tops off the base engine's feature list by way of power folding and auto-dimming exterior mirrors, windshield wiper deicer, premium leather upholstery, digital instrument panel, 12.3-inch infotainment screen, heated second row seats, heated steering wheel, ventilated front seats, front cross-traffic warning with automatic braking. Surround view camera system, gives you a top-down view of the vehicle and its surroundings for tight parking situations. Automatic reverse braking, applies the brakes automatically to avoid an imminent collision with an object behind the vehicle. 3.3 Turbo S. The first model with the more powerful engine goes without a trim level name but is similar in content to the 3.3 Turbo Premium trim. Note that it also has a two-person third-row seat, reducing capacity to 7 passengers. Turbo S Premium. Upgrading to this trim generally gets you the features from the 3.3 Turbo Premium Plus. It has the second-row captain's chairs for 6-passenger capacity. Turbo S Premium Plus. This top trim is outfitted identically to the 3.3 Turbo Premium Plus trim but adds quilted leather upholstery, ventilated second-row seats. The CX-90 PHEV has a simplified lineup consisting of preferred, premium and premium plus trim levels. See our CX-90 plug-in hybrid page for further explanation.